Yeah. What? What? Mom. Mom, where are you going?
Edgar?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to give you a wristband when you arrive in Honolulu. Show it to the airport screener. You don't have to do anything else.
Okay. Which one?
No, don't matter.
There we go. Thank you.
These are all set. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, we're boarding at gate E10
Okay.
and boarding at 8:45.
Okay.
Terminal 1?
For your patients at this time, Hawaiian Airlines Flight 89 with service to Honolulu at gate E10. Let's continue boarding with guests seated in zone 4.
Thank you.
Good morning. How are you? Thank you. Hello, good morning. 37 Juliet.
Juliet, crossing over and down.
Thank you.
Hi, Buffalo.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, thank you.
that's actually my seat.
Yeah, yeah.
Honolulu, Hawaii. We are especially pleased to once again be able to serve our Polati Platinum and our Gold members. I would also like to extend a special aloha to those of you joining us from our code share partners. To help us expedite our departure, we ask that once you located your seats, please stow all of your personal items beneath the seats in front of you or in the overhead compartments. After you stowed all of your personal items, please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. As soon as we have everyone seated with their seatbelts fastened and all of our overhead bins are closed, we'll be ready to close the flight deck door and our boarding door. Smoking is prohibited once you're on the aircraft. Our relief officer, Mr. Ryan Wong. We have 10 outstanding flight attendants. They're all based in Honolulu. They'll be serving you in the main cabin as well as in first class. Please don't hesitate in calling on one of us if you need any assistance. We'd like to thank our Boston ground staff for doing an excellent job, and our Boston customer service. Mahalo. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Mahalo.
Honolulu. Flight plan says 10 hours and 42 minutes, expecting mostly smooth flight today. We just have a little bit of cargo to finish uploading, and some paperwork will be all ready to go. We also have one quick announcement from our friends at TSA, and that is to comply with TSA security policies and avoid congestion in any one area of the passenger cabin. We request your assistance today in not congregating around the galley and lavatory areas during the flight. It's also requested that you please use the lavatory located in your ticketed cabin. Our flight attendants are available should you require direction or assistance. Thank you for cooperation and welcome aboard.
It's a real pleasure to have you as our guest this morning. We'll be departing very shortly for Honolulu, Hawaii. Commanding our aircraft once again is Captain Jeff David, and he's assisted by First Officer Mr. Matt Mellish and Relief Officer Mr. Ryan Wall.
Aloha and welcome aboard.
Aloha, mahalo ike kipa anamai.
When you're here with us, you're in Hawaii. So please give us your attention as members of our flight crew share the safety features of this aircraft and some of our favorite spots throughout the islands. For your comfort and safety, please fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top portion of the buckle and pull away.
Seatbelts should be worn low and tight.
It is Hawaiian Airlines policy that you keep your seatbelts fastened at all times when seated.
Well, the seatbelt sign is not illuminated. You can leave your seat if necessary. When you return, please fasten your seatbelt.
Your compliance with the fastened seatbelt and no smoking signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions is required.
Note that e-cigarettes are prohibited.
Personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, may be used at any time during the flight.
However, they must be set to airplane mode with all transmittal features turned off. Laptops and items equivalent in size must be stowed during taxi, takeoff, and landing.
There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Please take a moment to locate the 2 exits nearest you. Keep in mind that those exits may be in front of or behind you. All exits are equipped with evacuation slides. All evacuation slides, with the exception of those immediately behind the wings, can be detached.
And use as rafts in case of a water landing.
This aircraft is equipped with emergency pass lights that lead to all exits.
To open exit doors, lift up on the handle and let go. The door will swing outwards.
If the cabin pressure changes in flight, an oxygen mask will appear above your seat. Quickly reach for the mask and pull it firmly toward you. This starts the flow of oxygen.
Please ensure the plastic bag is clear of the mask and place the yellow cup over your nose and mouth. Secure it to your face with the elastic band, which can be tightened by pulling on the tabs located on either side of the mask. The plastic breather bag may not necessarily inflate. Continue to breathe normally until advised that it is no longer needed.
We suggest that you secure your mask first, then assist your child with an additional mask, making sure that it fits tightly to the face.
A life vest is located between the seats or beneath the seats. Remove the life vest from the container by pulling the plastic tab.
Hold the life vest in front of you. Pull the vest over your head and wrap the strap around your waist.
Attach the buckle and pull the loose end to tighten.
As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab in front.
The vest may also be inflated by blowing air into the tube at the top.
It is a federal offense to remove any vest from the aircraft.
For location and operation of the infant life vest, please refer to the safety briefing card or ask a flight attendant.
This is a non-smoking flight.
Smoking is not permitted at any time on board this aircraft. For your safety, the lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors.
Federal regulations prohibit the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any installed detector.
The cabin safety card is located in your seat pocket ahead of you. Please review this important safety information. We ask for your help in preparing the cabin for departure. Yeah!
Please check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, and your seat back is in its full upright position. Make sure your headrest and video monitors are in a stowed position and your carry-ons are properly stowed completely beneath the seat in front of you.
We're in the overhead compartment!
for guests in our business or first class cabin, please ensure that your foot and leg rests are in the stowed position.
If you're seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for takeoff.
On behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us.
Mahalo ike alauna pu anamai.
Enjoy your flight.
prohibited while you're on the aircraft. Those of you who like to sleep and not be bothered by us when we do our compliance check, please fasten your seatbelts around your blankets and yourself, and we won't bother you when we do our seatbelt compliance check. I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly on Hawaiian Airlines. Once again, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to call one of us. Ladies and gentlemen, our flight time is 10:42. This will bring us into Hawaii about 3:40.
Yeah, what do you have? Thank you.
Honolulu. Just leveled off at our initial cruising altitude at 36,000 feet. In just a few minutes, I'll be turning off seatbelt sign. However, you should keep your seatbelts fastened at all times while you are seated. Even though the seatbelt sign is off, I must caution you that bumpy air can occur at any time. When out of your seats, please be aware that our advanced anticipating turbulence may be very limited. So if I turn the seatbelt sign back on, please return your seats immediately and fasten your seatbelts. Flight plan showing 10 hours and 42 minutes en route to Honolulu today. H&Ls reporting scattered clouds. Last hour, 10 to 10 miles or better visibility. Currently winds out of the north this morning. Temperature 19 degrees Celsius. That converts to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. We ready to sit back, relax, enjoy our great cabin service, and we'll give you a weather update on our descent into the Hawaiian Islands. Once again, welcome aboard.
As a courtesy for the person behind you, please have your seat fully upright for the duration of this meal service. Also, again, passengers next to the window, you may know your window shades at this time. Thank you.
ladies and gentlemen, we're on our final approach into Honolulu. Please check to see that your seatbelts are fastened and bring your seats to an upright position for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, another beautiful landing by Captain Jeffrey David. Please remain seated and your seatbelts fastened until the captain parks the aircraft at the jetway and turns off the seatbelt sign. That will be our indication it's safe to stand. And before leaving our aircraft, please check all around you for your personal items and please take them with you. Smoking is prohibited while you're on the aircraft. Also in our Daniel K. Inouye International Airport, smoking is prohibited. Local time is 3:37 and the temperature outside is 76 degrees. Mostly cloudy, but no signs of rain right now. When we disembark, our passengers will be disembarking rows 1 through 12, followed by 14 to 47. And our wheelchair passengers will be following the main flow of traffic. Also, those blankets that are on board, please leave it at the seats. They're very attractive, but short supply of blankets, so please don't take them. We're going to wash them and reuse it. On behalf of Hawaiian Airlines, Captain Jeff David, the flight deck, and all of your Honolulu-based flight attendants and our 6,000 employees, we thank you once again for choosing to fly on Hawaiian Airlines, and wherever your final destination is today, we want you to have an awesome, wonderful, and magical day. Thank you very much. Mahalo nui loa and aloha.
Hi, good afternoon, folks. The flight deck is your captain speaking. We're just waiting for the ground crew to get in place so we can get marshaled into gate Alpha 10 here. So please remain seated, put your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Thank you.
Aloha, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Daniel K. Inouye International Airport. Please watch your step as you're going from aircraft to jet bridge due to the floor level change. Again, please watch your step. If you have small children, please hold their hands when they're exiting the aircraft. If Honolulu is your final destination, baggage claim number 6 is where you'll find your check-in items. Again, baggage claim number 6 is where you'll find your check-in items if Honolulu is your final destination. If you requested for wheelchair assistance during deboarding today, please stay seated to all other passengers have deplated the aircraft, and the porters will come down the jet bridge to assist you. If you gate check any assistance devices such as a car seat, stroller, or a personal wheelchair, those items will be available for you in the jet bridge in approximately 8 minutes from a ramp crew. Again, take your time exiting the aircraft. If you're coming home or if you're visiting Hawaii, we would hate for you to start off your return or your vacation with an injury at the airport. Take your time, watch your steps, and have a wonderful day. Baggage claim number 6.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, hold the plate.
Thank you.
I love reading your magazines.
Continuation of other safety practices, such as physical distancing and washing your hands, are recommended. For information on Hawaii's efforts to reduce the spread of COVID-19, visit HawaiiCovid19.com. Mahalo.
Sandwich.
Attention, all arriving active Army personnel.
You got respond? Yeah. You. Straight down, guys.